Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Williams Corona. Today we are going to talk about home visits. How can I make the most of my time when visiting homes? Get an accurate idea of your price range, an estimate of your monthly payments, and a pre-approval letter, so sellers will take you seriously when you make an offer. Work with your agent to know your wants and needs list. Think about what's most important to you, the location or the house itself. Preview homes through online to eliminate those you won't need to visit in person. Plan an itinerary with your agent. What should I expect when visiting homes? You and your agent typically visit homes together. Homeowners usually are not home, so you're free to spend as little or as much time as you want. Buyers often have a gut reaction to a home. First impressions count, but you can also consult your agent to learn more about home values and possibly to reevaluate your priorities in the context of what's available in your price range. How many homes should I visit? Sometimes buyers find their future home the first time out, and others look at 50 homes before they see one that checks all their boxes. It's a good idea to see at least a few alternatives so you can have some points of comparison, but sometimes you just know a place is where you want to live. What should I look for when visiting homes? Look beyond the staging and decorative items to see the features and fixtures that convey with the house. Check the condition of the home. Keep track with photos and notes. Consider possible home improvements you might want to make so you can research costs later. Don't forget to check out the outside of the property and the neighborhood. Your agent has access to neighborhood insights and data so you can make a better decision. Locate your commuter routes, schools, shops, restaurants, parks, and other amenities. If the property is a condo or located in a homeowners association, find out the fees and rules to see if you can live with them. Your real estate agent will be your trusted partner for your home search. I am proud to be a member of Keller Williams Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Williams Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate, and you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Williams Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.